Hey El Paso, I'm Dr. David from El Paso Manual Physical Therapy. I wanted to share with you a situation that is very serious. We recently had a client that came in saying that her knee pain, she just felt like it was getting out of control. Injections hadn't worked. She's been relying on pain medications, and she's had several conversations with surgeons, but she's just not ready to give up and have to go get a surgery. They're looking at doing a knee replacement on her. And so I just thought, this is something I need to share with everybody out in El Paso, and I wanted to make sure I share with you guys the top 3 reasons that you might look to see if your knee is just out of control, and if the problem's out of control, and if you might need to talk to a professional, especially one that specializes in getting off pain medications and avoiding knee surgery. Number 1 top reason that your knee pain is out of control is if you find that you're taking pain medications just about every day. If you take pain medication on more days than not, 4 or 5 or more days out of the week because of the knee problem, that is a serious sign. Of course, the medications have side effects. They might be ripping up your liver or kidneys or other organs, but that means that you've just been masking the problem. It's so important to make sure that you have a plan to begin to wean yourself off the pain medications, but allow your knee to start to recover so that you can get back to doing the things that you love to do without feeling like you need to pop an over-the-counter or prescription medication each day just to get through the day. Sign and reason number 2 that your knee problem is out of control is if you've had several knee injections where they've got the needle and injected the corticosteroids or some sort of pain or anti-inflammatory medication into your knee joint. If you've had several of those, 3 or more, and it just isn't working anymore, it's not as effective, or it wasn't effective at all in some cases, or the relief only lasts a few weeks instead of a few months, you need to make sure that you're on some plan that doesn't involve injections down the road. They can only allow you to get so many before they have to send you out to a surgeon to talk about doing a knee surgery. And in many cases, knee surgery is preventable. The 3rd sign to look at that your knee pain is out of control is if you've been avoiding certain activities. Classic examples are going up and down stairs, going for a walk, like to walk your dog, or even just walking through the grocery store, doing things that you need to do around the house, being on your feet. If you think about it because you're afraid that you're going to pay for it later on, that is a serious sign, because it can only get worse if not handled properly. And it's just a matter of time before you might feel like you need a cane, or you might already be on a cane and feel like you need a walker. You need to make sure that you're addressing the knee problem so that you can confidently go up and down the stairs and take the dog out and enjoy El Paso's sunny weather, especially in the summertime and in the fall. It is just wonderful to be outside, enjoy the parks, hike through the mountains, and not worry that your knee pain is getting worse and that you're going to have to pay for it at the end of the day or over the next few days because you enjoyed yourself a little bit. Guys, if you have any of those 3 signs or a combination or all of them, please get in touch with somebody who can help you avoid pain medications, escape surgery, stay out of the general doctor's office so that you can get back to doing what you love. If you want to talk to somebody about your specific knee problem, we'd love to chat with you. No obligation necessary to work with us by any means. We just want to be able to offer help to all of El Paso. There's tons of free resources on our website as well. If you visit our website, we've got self-help guides for knee pain and other body parts. Please download our content. It's completely free. Thanks so much, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.